Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of my favorite vegetable dish called Tumis Salada Air or stir fry watercress. It's a very popular side dish from Indonesia. It's the best to serve with rice or you can eat it on its own. So let's make it! So here is the watercress that I bought this morning from the market. It might be looks quite a lot, but once you cook it later, they will shrinking. And also, watercress has a lots of benefit and one of the superfood. If you would like to know the benefit, please do Google it. For the sambal later, I'm using shallot, garlic, and chilies. For the chilies, I'm using two types of chilies, Bali hot pepper and big red chilies. And also later I add mushroom bouillon powder, is optional, shrimp paste, sea salt, and I'm also using vegetable oil. So first, I'm going to cut the watercress. So I'm only using this part. I don't use the yellow part. So I also didn't use the stem. So I've been cut all the watercress and now let's wash it with water. So I wash it twice or 3 times. Next, let's prepare the sambal. Start with slice thinly the shallot. Chop the garlic roughly. I will move the shallot first. Slice the chilies thinly. For the big red chili, I'm using half and another half I'm going to use for the garnish later. So I cut it diagonal. Now let's heat it up the oil. Add the shallot. Cook it until it's soft. Now add the garlic. We cook until the garlic is soft. Keep stirring it. So now I'm going to add the chili, but before that I'm going to mix the chilies with the shrimp paste and sea salt. Add the chilies, Bali hot pepper and half the big red chili. Mix well. Cook until the chili is soft. It already smells so good. And now let's add the watercress. Mix well. Add the mushroom bouillon powder. Mix again. So the watercress is ready. Let's plate it. So yummy and slightly crunchy. Sprinkle with the fried shallot. And big red chilli as a garnish. So here we are, stir fry watercress. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also we are now ready for the online cooking class as well. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma, happy cooking. Bye-bye.